Everyone, this is SheShe coming on to share with you an Aliexpress haul. I have some 3mm craft foam. I know that's really popular now for your shaker cards. You'll get a set of 8 sheets and it measures 12 inches by 8 1/4. So that's a really nice size, and you get 8 sheets, as I said. So that's first what I want to share. I did use the craft foam on this card to make a shaker, and I have my little coffee cup and the little spoon inside, so it's like it's stirring. And then I used some other dies that I'm going to share in a moment. This is the stamp set that I used for the background. These are not connected, they're actually separate, so you can use them as a straight border, or you can do what I did and make some background paper. So really cute and fun. And then it has all these sentiments that I will link below, so you can go and check them out and read them. I did use another coffee themed stamp set that's in the shop. I will read this one to you. It just says, with enough coffee, anything is possible. So that's what I used for this card. It came from this set that has like a latte, tea bag, and teacup or coffee cup, and then some other coffee sentiments that you can check out on the website. So here's my card. Again, I'll show you where this die comes from that I used. And here is the set again, that you can make shakers or do what I did, or you can stamp some of those sentiments on these little pieces that pop out. They will fit. Okay, so the next die I want to share is this measuring spoon set. So it looks like this. And you can make them shakers if you want, but I just layered them to make it look more like measuring spoons. I did put them on the ring. I had to cut the ring with some scissors, and then I just glued this to hide where I cut it, and that's how it hangs. So really love this for my recipe books and recipe cards. Next is this card right here. I used the sentiment cozy and warm. I've shared this little heart before, and the die set that I use, as well as the bow, so I'll link that, and the mittens in case you want to duplicate this card. So the cozy and warm, there's like a lot of sentiments for your Christmas cards and winter theme cards. So I did stamp them out in case you want to know how well they stamp. So I'll just quickly show them. I didn't stamp all of them, but most of them that would fit on these banners. And you can go to the website and get a better look if you want, but I just want you to see how well it stamps out, because I know a lot of times people would like to know how well do the AliExpress stamps ink up and stamp on paper. I use archival ink, as well as Memento, VersaFine, and also the VersaMark when I emboss. So next are these measuring cups, the glass measuring cups. I always wanted a set like this, and it embosses some lines, but not any of the measurements. So I had a stamp set that does that. It's kind of off, but I will like make another one, but this is just as an example. And look how cute the small one is for your little chef people and gingerbread people, or things you want, you know, them to hold things. Okay, this is the die set that I used those little hearts to put in the corners of my coffee theme card that looks like this. That's what I used. It came from the rolling pin set. So you can do shakers, you can layer the little hearts on the rolling pins. I just cut them out so you can see the sizes, 3 different sizes. This is 4 inches long by 1 inch, and then they get smaller. So it's a really nice set to have for your cooking, recipe, theme projects. This next one is a Merry Christmas and Have a Happy New Year. I really love this background. I embossed it in gold. I used Versamark ink and some gold embossing powder. And I hope they come out with a happy birthday and happy Valentine's Day. That would be cool for a background. So just a suggestion if you're watching. Okay, and then next I have some really pretty stamps. I love the font. So I'll just show you how they stamped out. And I use archival ink that I just showed you. So these are all the sentiments for this set. You can also go and read them on the website. So I'm just going to show them quickly. But they stamped out really nice. And I have some ready to go for projects. And here's that. Okay, so there's that one. Then there's another one that's really pretty. You can't really see it because I inked it up, but here I did stamp them out so you can see what they are saying. So these are really lovely. And this one, I'm not sure what it says. It says, let your heart, and then I don't know what this is supposed to say. So if you know, please let me know in the comment section below. This could be a mistake on here, but I just wanted to point that out. Okay, well, that's my share for today. I hope you found it helpful in deciding if anything that I've shared is for you. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.